Hi Jocelyn, this is Michael. I spoke to you yesterday, and this is the video that I told you I wanted to send you. So just a few things I wanted to give you some tips on about your website. First thing we see here is content, lack of content. So on your homepage, you really want to have like around 1,000 to 1,500 words on your homepage and 500 to 750 words of content on all of your service pages. And as you can see, there aren't that many. That's a really important factor when trying to rank your website in Google. The amount of content on your page, and it really helps you to be able to use keywords in your content that will definitely help you get found. Relevant keywords, especially like these air conditioning services in Honolulu, that's a great keyword. And Google also recognizes the keywords that the pictures are saved as. So if you see here, if you try to save this picture, it's saved the title of the picture is web page complete. That should really be it should really say something like air conditioning services or something like that. But maybe this picture isn't the best because it doesn't actually show anything about air conditioning services. So another thing I did here was ran you through this diagnostic tool, and it takes a look at your website, breaks it down a little bit, and shows you how you're doing. It's called Ahrefs. Anybody can pay to use this tool online. I pay about $400 a month to use it. But basically, it shows you a lot about your website here. It says you have 21 referring domains, giving you 74 backlinks, and which is getting you found for 64 keywords, which is bringing you 20 organic traffic visits to your website every month. So we definitely want to target more keywords. As you can see here, this is one of your competitors, and they're targeting 115 keywords. They've got 45 referring domains, 368 backlinks, and that's getting them 110 visits to their website a month. They're obviously driving a lot more traffic. And we can also take a look at their keywords, and it'll show us exactly which keywords they're ranking for. Here you can see that they're ranking for all of these keywords, and these are definitely keywords that you could target as well just by adding them to the content on your website. And you can see the volume that they're searched every month right here, and this is the actual amount of traffic that that they're getting from each one of these keywords right here. So definitely content is king when it comes to getting found on Google, getting your website traffic. So we'll go back to the overview here. And another thing I wanted to talk to you about are backlinks. So backlinks are really important because they tell Google how relevant you are to the niche. So you have these referring domains, as you can see them all here, and all of these websites are linking back to your website, giving you power. 74 backlinks. So you definitely want to go after more and better backlinks and link to websites that are more relevant to your niche, so that it gives you more power back to your website, and Google recognizes your website is more relevant and starts boosting your rankings, so you get found more often. And the third thing I wanted to talk to you about are citations. And citations are anywhere online that you have your name, your address, and your phone number listed as it is in your GMB. This is actually how I found you. I searched through this map pack, and I found you like on the 3rd or 4th page. But this is really based on your citations. So all you have to do is just go into directories and list your business in more directories, and it'll start to get your business to show up further up in this map pack. I mean, ideally this is where you want to be, because this is where you get the most traffic, obviously. So to recap, you definitely want to add more content to your website's pages, and definitely add more keywords in that content. And you also want to go back here and do some of your on-site SEO and get these pictures saved as a keyword and not just web page complete, because that's not getting found at all. It doesn't hurt you, but it's definitely a missed opportunity. The second thing is backlinks. You definitely want to get your website linking to other websites that are relevant to your business. And that absolutely drives more power to your website. It shows Google that you're more relevant when people are searching keywords looking for services. As you can see here, you're targeting 64 keywords. You're getting 20 traffic, whereas Central Air is getting 115 keywords targeted, bringing them 110 traffic. And even at 5% conversion rate, that's 5 or 6 jobs a month. And the last thing I wanted to talk about is citations. So I've got you up here, and I've got you compared to a couple of businesses. Right here it says Advanced AC Contracting's got 31 citations, and that's why they're ranking a lot higher in the map pack. And then you guys have 10 right here. And so this is like a list of all the citations that these people have signed up for, as well as yourself. And yeah, it's real easy to do. Just get yourself on more of these listings, and that'll start boosting your rankings in the map pack. So as you can see, there's definitely some things you guys can do. There's some room for improvement. There's absolutely more opportunity for new clients out there. As you can see from your competitors, they're getting a lot of traffic, and so there's a lot of search volume out there in your niche. I just want to say thank you for letting me shoot this video, and once again, if you guys are interested in or need somebody to help you with this stuff, definitely reach out to me, please. My number's 808-699-1773. My name is Michael at Howlett Digital, and thank you so much.